Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify AppCoins Wallet. First, if you want to verify your AppCoin wallet, you just need to verify a payment method in the AppCoins wallet. So, you can verify a bank card or your PayPal account in your AppCoins wallet. To do so, please follow the steps. First, go to Manage Wallets in Settings, then tap on Verify Payment Method. Last, choose to verify a PayPal account or a bank card. Insert your PayPal or bank card details and continue the process. A small amount like $0.15 will be charged to your payment method and refunded once the verification process is completed. If you are using a bank card to verify your wallet, you will need to confirm the process with a confirmation code. You will find it in your bank statement as a description of the charge made by the AppCoins wallet. That means you just need to deposit a little amount of money from your PayPal or bank card. Then you can continue your verification process and you can verify your payment method in AppCoins wallet. As soon as you verify your payment method in AppCoins wallet, your AppCoins wallet account will be verified. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.